Hello and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. Today we're going to be opening up the March RPG crate. Yes, March. Yes, this is late. This video is going to come out in April. They had some packaging issues, or they didn't have some items or something. They had some issues, but hey, we got it. It's here. They didn't gyp us. So let's get opening this box up. So first, we have the awesome t-shirt for this one. I hope you guys can see that. That was really nice. I really like this t-shirt. I love that. So let's get this bad boy open and see what we got in here. First, we have our RPGCrate card we get every month. And the theme for this one is called Battle. And that's probably why there's a huge ass orc or goblin on there with the flaming axes. Which I think is an orc, by the way. But anyways, this tells us everything that's in the crate. We'll come back to that. So next we got a miniature from Effing Cool Miniature. I will try to put this up, but this guy has no head. Where is his head? There's his axe and his hands. Oh, there's his head, all bobbling around in there. So it's loose. I'll have to assemble it and then maybe take some pictures of it. But it's a pretty big size orc. Wish you guys could see that, but I'll show you some pictures though. Okay, next we have our campfire cooking on the open road. This one's called Goblin Fingers. So that must be the recipe. That's really cool. 12 large goblin fingers, 12 ounces of green candy coating, and 24 blanched almonds. So that's pretty cool, and then tells you how to put it together. And then we have a little quest on here, Goblin Cave Crawling. It's a forest cave, so that'll be interesting. So next we got, it looks like we have, I don't know what that is, we'll wait on that. We have our Adventures on the Open Road. And we have Brothers Keep. Undercover in High Moor. No map on that. Well, besides the map on the front. Forest Camp. And then that's that one. Next, it looks like we got some beautiful artwork. Ooh, look at that. Nice. Ooh. Be a nice dungeon screen, I would think. What do you guys think? Look at that. Put that right in front of you while you're playing this game. I think that's what it's supposed to be, is a DM screen. That's really cool. I'll show you guys the inside of it anyways, even though if you're not a DM, you shouldn't be looking at this. But that's pretty cool. I like that. Definitely want to check out more of that later. Okay, now we have another, can't speak today, guys. Another book from Frog God Games. Sorry, just got out of work and I'm all excited that I got my RPG crate. So, Goblins and Gnolls is what it's called. It is, looks like 35 pages. And let's see how many adventures. Looks like possibly 2. Death in the Painted Canyons and Deep in the Val. It's in black and white, it looks like. No color, no big deal. Doesn't really have to be in color to be cool. So it looks like it's got some pretty cool maps and artwork in there. Let's see. It really stinks we had to wait this long to get it, but I understand. Things happen. I've been so pumped up to see what this one was all about. Here's the Deep in the Valve. And this one got a little bit of artwork there too. So that's it. And then we got our pick and pluck foam, which, you know, we always get that, and there's nothing underneath it, so no special prizes. Come on, guys, I want a special gift. Well, maybe eventually. So, this is what we, wrong one, guys. So this is what we've got here. We have the t-shirt. Oh, it is a Game Master screen. It's a Orc and Goblin War theme screen. The Dragon Foam, which is that. The premium metal miniature from Effin' Cool Miniatures. Orc Warrior with ruined axe. Assembly acquired. Head and axe. I don't know why the head's separate. It's really weird, but whatever. And it's such a small little head compared to that body. Adventures on the Open Road, we got those 3 things. The downloads for the adventure setting for RPGCrate, which last time I knew, I don't think they had anything set yet for that. So hopefully you guys get to it. The recipe card and the Goblins and Gnolls book. I said Goblins and, yeah, I said Goblins and Gnolls. Goblins and Gnolls, the 2-in-1 book. So that's it, guys. You know, it being late, I'm not gonna talk smack about that or downgrade this box for this month because it was late. Like I said, I understand stuff happens. I think it's really cool. I love the orcs and goblins and gnoll stuffs. I love that kind of stuff, so that's awesome. The miniature is really cool. The recipe cards are always cool. I think they're hilarious. And I was thinking, you know what, you could have your players go on adventures and find these things for extra, like, side quest things. So that's pretty cool. You get the book, that's cool. The DM screen was really cool. That's definitely better than what was it? Bookmarkers. So the DM screen is really cool. I hope you guys keep coming up with some cool ideas. But besides that, I was hoping there'd be something else in there, maybe some coins again, or at least one more item. Even though it was late and everything else, I'm going to give this one, I'm going to give it a B. A B flat is what I'm going to give this. So that's it, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like the RPG crate we got in here. Hopefully I'll have another video out soon. Hopefully I'll have some videos out at all, since I'm having issues with my computer, but I'm working on it. I might have to get a whole new laptop. Okay, guys. So I hope you guys like that video. I hope you like the RPG crate. Please subscribe, comment, click that notification button, and like always, ring that like button like a hunchback. Until next time.